Welcome to English Minded.
In today's lesson, we will learn English vocabulary about jobs and professions. Look at the picture, choose the correct answer, and learn with fun example sentences. Who is this person? A. Firefighter. B. Baker. C. Doctor. Answer: Doctor. The doctor examined the patient carefully and gave her some medicine. Who is this person? A. Farmer. B. Pilot. C. Tailor. Answer: Pilot. The pilot flew the plane smoothly through the clouds. Who is this person? A. Chef. B. Electrician. C. Gardener. Answer: Chef. Example: the chef prepared a delicious meal for the guests. Who is this person? A. Police officer. B. Carpenter. C. Teacher. Answer: Teacher. Example: the teacher explained the lesson clearly to the students. Who is this person? A. Mechanic. B. Artist. C. Nurse. Answer: Mechanic. Example: the mechanic repaired the car engine quickly. Who is this person? A. Actor. B. Plumber. C. Driver. Answer: Plumber. Example: the plumber fixed the leaking pipe in the kitchen. Who is this person? A. Photographer. B. Firefighter. C. Cook. Answer: Firefighter. Example: the firefighter rescued a cat from the burning building. Who is this person? A. Barber. B. Engineer. C. Dancer. Answer: Barber. Example: the barber gave me a new haircut this morning. Who is this person? A. Singer. B. Farmer. C. Pilot. Answer: Farmer. Example: the farmer grows rice and vegetables on his land. Who is this person? A. Nurse. B. Tailor. C. Scientist. Answer: Nurse. Example: the nurse took care of the patients at the hospital. Who is this person? A. Dentist. B. Actor. C. Painter. Answer: Dentist. Example: the dentist cleaned my teeth and told me to brush twice a day. Who is this person? A. Engineer. B. Waiter. C. Musician. Answer: Waiter. Example: The waiter brought our food to the table with a smile. Who is this person? A. Driver. B. Scientist. C. Artist. Answer: scientist. Example: the scientist discovered a new way to make clean energy. Great job, everyone! You've just learned some useful English words about jobs and professions. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Minded, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English learning video. Keep practicing every day because every word you learn brings you closer to fluent English. See you in the next video from English Minded.